Hi Orko.
हाय दीदी।
Yeah, so how are you?
नाइस, घर पे हूँ। अच्छा ही हूँ। घर का खाना
Yeah.
मिल रहा है।
So अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है?
या अबाउट 2-3 months almost.
Okay. So Orko, we'll start with a formal introduction. Can you tell us about yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Orkote Mukherjee. I am from KIT University. My branch was IT, Information Technology. I belong from Durgapur, West Bengal, um, and I recently got placed in Mayata. It's about almost 3 months I've been working there for. It's a nice working place. It's a nice company.
और जब तुम इस कंपनी के लिए बैठे तो what was your CGPA at that time?
It was about 8.84.
Okay. और उस कंपनी का एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या था?
The most companies don't have a huge eligibility criteria, so they had about 7 CGPA or something. So that was enough to sit for the exams.
Okay. So what is your profile, current profile in which you are working there?
So I'm primarily a front-end web developer for the company, but I'm slowly moving towards back-end and cloud.
ओके तो मीन्स वहाँ पे ये सारे काम होते हैं फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड क्लाउड. ओके सो जब कंपनी आई थी किट में तो दे केम फॉर फुल स्टैक डेवलपर.
They had two profiles specifically, one for backend and one for front end. So
ओके
full stack लिए कुछ बंदों को पर mostly sorry, mostly they said they had two profiles. So they were shifting towards React at that time, and I had experience with React, so that made it me a suitable candidate for their selection.
ठीक है तो कैन यू रिवील योर पैकेज.
It's 9 LPA.
ओके 9 LPA तो डायरेक्टली फुल टाइम में हुआ या यू वेंट फॉर एन इंटर्नशिप.
So it's a 1 year internship, and at the end of the internship, you get converted and you get the PPO. So there's a
ओके
3 month of probation period. This is my third month. Hopefully, I will get the full internship, and then this the PPO is there.
अच्छा ओके तो बेटर लक.
Thanks.
Yeah. So can you tell us about the overall recruitment process? कितने rounds थे?
So there were about 5 rounds for me, 4 rounds for most people, some
Okay.
additional round for. I'm going to tell about that. So the first
Yeah.
round was reasoning and aptitude. There were some questions from OS, DBMS. There were some reasoning and aptitude questions, and there were some programming questions. So the first round was very basic and was like mostly basic programming knowledge, fundamentals. It was not specifically for C or C++ or any language. It was mostly fundamental programming questions, OS, DBMS, and a bit of reasoning. The part I liked, the reasoning was not a huge part of the process. It's a small part. I'm very weak at reasoning. So
Okay.
yeah, that was the first round. After that, they had another round where they had coding questions, almost three. The platform was Hacker Earth, I guess. HackerRank, sorry,
Okay.
HackerRank. They were in
Okay.
HackerRank. So in HackerRank, they had three questions. I don't remember the questions exactly. I'm very sorry, but first one was about a dynamic programming question. So it was a 3D I think,
Okay.
and other were some probably hash maps or something. I'm not confident about the questions and stuff. Like I forgot
Okay.
them.
So
Uh, that
total three
transition,
questions था मतलब coding में.
yeah, three
Okay.
questions were there.
Okay.
So after that, that transitioned into a hackathon. The third round was a hackathon. Hackathon में तीन सवाल पूछे गए थे. The first one was कि एक medical store using Google Maps locator kind of. So
अच्छा.
you will have all the nearby places if you open the map, medical stores. The second one was a chat app that you have to build. So उसका functionalities का limit कुछ नहीं था. Like you can build anything. You shouldn't have this features. And also technology में कोई limited नहीं था. You can do it in web, Android, or any hybrid ones. And the third one was probably something related to maps only. I am not completely sure. So I took the chat one because it was the easiest one, and I already had a bit of a prototype build. So I like, fine, I will extend that. I
Okay.
used Flutter for cross-platform development and made the app and qualified the hackathon round.
Okay, so this was your third round or second, third
Third
round.
round, yeah.
Okay, okay.
So after that, they had the interview round, the fourth round. There were four interviews for each of them, each of the candidates. Not everybody had to face all the four interviews. Like it was a screening process. After each interview, some people got eliminated or something like that. So fortunately, I had to go through all the interviews, and mostly the questions were related to your project and work experience. Since Minority is a startup, they're not super focused on your there were little problem solving questions, but not like super hard or anything. Mostly about your projects, like how experienced are you in handling real work things. That's the thing I like about this company, is that when we are also in internship, we didn't have an extensive training period. It was like directly you find your work, you work. It's kind of like that.
Okay.
There
Hmm.
are issues in GitHub, you find your issue and you work. So that was the motive of the interview, to test your real knowledge.
Hmm.
I had the edge of having some real world projects, few of them deployed in Play stores, few apps or websites in production. So that was a advantage that I had. Uh, and So there were four interview rounds. One was probably an HR round. I don't quite know what round was that, but other three were technical, strictly technical. I also met the engineers who took my interview later onwards.
Okay.
One was a co-founder too.
So
So
you are working with them right now, means some of them.
yeah, some of them I'm working with right now. So that was the interview. The fifth round that I had was not for everybody. So what they had, they had two profiles of a front-end web developer and a back-end web developer.
अच्छा.
So web is their primary domain. They don't make apps, and
Hmm.
actually the like web is like a supporting thing. The main products are all cloud-based. We are in CNCF. We have two projects, and both of them are in CNCF. So उसके लिए websites and all. So websites are everywhere. You can't escape them. So
अच्छा.
so they had these two tracks, and they had many applicants for React. So what they did was set a common task. Let said me कि तुम कोई cloud based provider लो, उसमें you have to have some words, and there are some simple CRUD operations like create, delete, and stuff.
Hmm.
Create a word, I can delete a word, I can update the previous word or something like that. So few
Okay.
CRUD operations, there will be a database probably hosted in cloud, and you can manipulate it through an interface. That should be built in React, because they were shifting from Angular and Ember to React completely. So
Okay.
they said me to make that app. It was a kind of a dictionary app where you will just enter a word and the meaning, and later you can search it and search the meaning and stuff.
तो
Word.
ये जो तुम्हें ऐप बनाने उन्होंने बोला, दैट वाज अ वर्किंग ऐप और ये तुम्हारा कोड तुम्हें लिखना था?
It was a working app, so I had to deploy it and send them a link to.
Oh, okay. That means you did this by sitting on your home, in your home.
Yeah, they gave me enough time. Like evening ko hua tha, they said me ki around in morning 10 p.m. you can submit the app or the link. So this was for a second screening step, that these guys will be given a web developer front end profile, kind of like that. So they had many
Oh,
candidates to select. Among those candidates, they had a additional round. So I used React and Firebase for the backend, and there
hmm.
was Netlify for deployment. So एक दिन के अंदर these technologies were enough to make the app.
Okay. So do you remember how many people got selected from KIT?
13. So according to them, after the interview, what they said was there were around 13,000 applicants. I don't know from how many colleges. I can't verify the number. So yeah, I have to take their word for it. And among them, 13 got selected from our college.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
Few were for, not everybody was for tech profile, few were for documentation and marketing profiles too.
Okay, okay, never mind. Okay, so after working in this company till now, what you find कि मतलब कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी पे फोकस करना चाहिए बच्चों को for your next batch, for your next coming batch if they are focusing in this company?
वेब विल नेवर फेल, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि
Okay.
कहीं भी चले जाओ, कुछ भी कर लो इन एनी टेक्नोलॉजी, इफ इट्स एमएल, योर कंपनी इज बेस्ड ऑन मशीन लर्निंग और क्लाउड बेस्ड, दे नीड अ वेबसाइट एटलीस्ट फॉर
Yeah.
देयर लैंडिंग पेज, दे नीड समथिंग टू मार्केटिंग के पर्पस में हो जाए. ऐप इज, इफ देयर प्रोडक्ट इज बेस्ड ऑन ऐप, दे विल लॉन्च एन ऐप. अननेसेसरी कोई ऐप लॉन्च नहीं करता, especially for marketing. Like I won't download an app to see some advertisement for a company, right? So web
Yeah.
is everywhere, and
Yeah.
good web developers are very rare, let me tell you. So the thing with web developer is there's no web developer, there's I can also do web development kind of people. So I'm primarily in machine learning, but I can also code HTML. HTML is not entire web development.
HTML is a basic language that everybody should know. Apart from that, like Angular, some frameworks, React, and
The thing is, most good companies that actually look for development, they don't specify or like go hard on a particular framework. So you should have the basic JavaScript skills so good that you can basically build anything. You don't need a
yeah.
framework to build. But अगर framework की बात हो तो then go for the one that most companies use and it's most community supported. Angular मुझे बहुत strict लगा था, पर Angular is used by many companies, including VMware actually. So हम लोग के में भी बहुत सारे Angular apps है, ऐसा नहीं है. पर for me React was the most comfortable. It's the barrier to entry in React was very less because Angular is a huge framework. You have to learn all the components of it to interact properly. React is a bit easier in that front. It's library, it's a small app, and then you have to learn additional things as you go to make yourself a better developer in React.
ओके सो मीन्स तुम्हारे बोलने से मुझे ये पता लग रहा है कि दे इन द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस दे आर मच मोर बायस्ड नॉट बट इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स दिस वेब स्किल्स.
Most interviews that I've seen is एक फ्रेशर से एकदम हाईटेक क्लाउड टेक्नोलॉजी लोग एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करते. You should be experienced in Kubernetes and you should be as skilled as full as an XRE for an intern. They don't expect that, obviously.
No, no. I just wanted to ask कि हमारे कोर सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड कुछ पूछा गया, जैसे हमारे DBMS, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स.
Not in the interviews, but वो पिछले राउंड्स में पूछा गया था. Another thing, experience wise, अगर experience gain करना तो startup is the best way.
Yeah.
Any startup. So I'll obviously pick a startup that is stable. Obviously, that's a given. Don't give an like कोई दोस्त स्टार्टअप खोल रहा है मैं चला गया, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
हाँ.
भाई मैं स्टार्टअप खोल रहा हूँ, चलो ज्वाइन कर लो. So
yeah. Okay, so Orko, I'll ask you about your LinkedIn profile. You can give me your LinkedIn profile so that I can share it in the description. If somebody want to contact you, they can contact.
yeah, sure, absolutely. Feel free to
Yeah.
hit me up with a question. I'll definitely answer that.
Yeah, okay. So that's it, Orko. Yeah, and thank you for sharing your experience.
Thank you, Didi.
Yeah.